Good day, my name is Zaid Ibrahim, and I'll be telling you why King Code is important. The challenges the writers are facing is to evaluate the integrated report in order to identify the compliance and non-compliance of the company and King 3. This entails either reading, understanding interpretation of company policies, management structures, and sustainability efforts. This information is important to the chairman as it underlines the direction in which the company is headed and whether or not the company is compliant to the requirements set out in King 3. The report is a result of the New Companies Act No. 71 of 2008, as well as changes in international government trends. King 1 and King 2 have been the forefront of governance internationally. This has been achieved because of the focus on the importance of conducting business reporting annually in an integrated manner. Background. Vodacom is the largest cellular service provider in South Africa. It is a company that has only been seen at the top of its game when it comes to mainstream business. But these types of companies also have a lot of requirements when it comes to complying with rules and regulations. The plan of our report is to analyze the application or non-application of the disclosure requirements indicated in King 3 with regards to ethical leadership, risk management, audit committee, and stakeholders relationships. Thank you.
Good day, my name is Shiraz Mohammed. Ethical leadership. Vodacom has 8 business principles which underline their code of conduct and align them with compliance of King 3 ethical leadership. Communicating openly with stakeholders while maintaining commercial confidentiality. Valuing our customers' trust and safeguarding their personal information. Basing employee relationships on respect for individuals and their human rights. Protecting the environment and improving the environmental and social benefits of products and services. Building trust within communities and investing in social upliftment. Protecting the health and safety of our customers, employees, partners, and communities. Acting with honesty, integrity, and fairness in all our dealings. Ensuring adherence to the Vodacom way and code of conduct. Vodacom has implemented an ethics management program and also have a code of conduct in place which guides employees on how to implement the business principles in practice. Vodacom also implemented an anti-corruption program which requires all its employees and business partners to follow anti-corruption laws. Vodacom has implemented a number of programs that promote and protect the environment and maintain the health and safety of our people, suppliers, and general public. Vodacom has also obtained an IS 14001 certification. They also have an innovation center that researches of ways Vodacom can operate in more environmental friendly ways. They also have a stakeholder function whose responsibility is to manage stakeholder relations. Vodacom now also has a social and ethics committee which supervises over various sustainability and good corporate citizenship. They have an ethics department which helps employees with topics such as giving and receiving gifts. They have a whistleblowing hotline which is promoted through the business. Thank you.
My name is Samir Kani, Risk Management. Vodacom's risk and control procedures are improved on a regular basis. Directors consider strategic risks when they formulate strategy, approve budgets, and monitor progress against business plans. Line management are responsible for managing risk. They are guided and assisted by the risk group, which reports to the Chief Risk Officer. The process is overseen by the Risk Management Committee in each operation. The Group Risk Management Committee, GRMC, who is chaired by the Chief Financial Officer, convenes 4 times a year. The committee was established 10 years ago and membership comprises of the Group Executive Committee members, the Chief Risk Officer, and the Managing Directors of each operating company. The GRMC also acts as the Risk Management Committee for Vodacom South Africa. The Group Risk Management Committee has 2 main functions which review and approve lists of strategic high and critical risks presented to the board, audit and risk compliance committee on a yearly basis. They supervise projects and structures that manage identified risks. Vodacom follows a 5-step process when assessing risks, which are as follows: defining the risk, assessing the impact of the risk on the organization should they happen, assessing the likelihood of the risk happening, classifying the risks, and monitoring and reporting the risks. Thank you.
Good day, my name is Kavir Karwa. The Audit Committee. The members of the Audit Risk Committee were appointed by shareholders at the annual general meeting held on the 18th of July 2013. The members are D.H. Brown, who is the chairman, P.J. Molaketi, and Y.Z. Cuba, and are categorized as independent directors. The board believes that members of the ARC committee are suitably qualified for their roles. The current chairman, who is Mr. D.H. Brown, is categorized as an independent director. The combined assurance model identifies the risk areas affecting the group. The head of internal audit reports to the audit risk committee. Thank you.
Good day, my name is Yusuf Hassan. Stakeholder relationships. The Chief of Corporate Affairs has responsibility for the management and implementation of stakeholder framework. Ernst & Young were appointed in full year 2015 to provide an independent limited assurance on the 2015 integrated report. In conclusion, Vodacom is committed to the highest standards of business integrity, ethics, risk management, and professionalism. The board recognizes the need to conduct the business in accordance with the principles of King Code 3. These principles include discipline, independence, responsibility, transparency, and the accountability of directors to all stakeholders. The company also has separate audit risk committees. The board is satisfied that every effort has been made in 31st March 2015 to comply in all material aspects with King 3, and non-compliance as well as compliance will be stated in the analysis. Thank you.